Just check out how nice this mechanical keyboard is. Now, this is a wireless Bluetooth, or you can even have it wired if you want to, mechanical keyboard from Ajaz. Now, this is a really premium mechanical keyboard. It sounds really, really good, and it feels very, very good as well. It comes with this LCD screen, which allows you to change certain settings, see the time, and how much battery life is left. You also get this volume sort of like slider, where you can slide the volume up and down, or mute it. If you click it in, you can mute, which is really nice as well. But I don't know about you guys, when I like to type, I like to hear the clickiness of the typing, and this is a really responsive mechanical keyboard. So grab this down below in the yellow basket. It is a premium keyboard, so just bear that in mind with the price, but grab it while you can. It's a fantastic product.